Power supply which comes to our home, it comes through grid power supply. That is, through energy meter, power is supplied to our home. Now if grid power supply somehow fails, there's a power cut, then in this condition, auxiliary power supply like generator, UPS, inverter or solar panel power supply is used to run electrical devices connected in our home. Now if you have two different power supply to run electrical devices in your home, then in this condition you have to use changeover switch. You will get two types of changeover switch. First is manual changeover switch, second is automatic changeover switch. If you want to use changeover switch for your home, then I will suggest you that changeover switch which you will use must be automatic. Now we have to do connection of this changeover switch with energy meter and generator. How to do connection? Let's understand this. Friends, here I have energy meter. I am connecting incoming power supply with energy meter. You can see at first terminal phase supply and at second terminal I connected neutral supply. Now power supply which goes from this energy meter will go to changeover switch. But power supply going to changeover switch should not be connected directly. In between you have to connect MCB. You get protection from overload and short circuit by connecting MCB. Besides, it is also used to turn on and off power supply. So from this energy meter power supply which goes, we have to connect this with MCB. The way we connected grid power supply with MCB, in the same way this generator here, power supply which comes from here is to be connected with MCB. Now we have to provide input power supply to this MCB. What we will do, bring power supply of generator and connect with these two terminals directly. You can see here phase supply and here neutral supply is connected. Now after this connection which we will do, you must see the connections carefully to understand. What you have to do is, in this changeover switch, if you look here main is written. Below main, here is L terminal and here is N terminal. Below main, where N is written, on this terminal, neutral power supply of main supply you have to connect. Like you can see here, from grid power supply, neutral supply which is coming is finally connected at this point. Adjacent to this, we have to connect phase supply. So from here, I am connecting a wire to this point. Main power supply which is coming is connected with changeover switch. Now next to this, you can see here gen is written. Gen means generator. Below generator, here L and here N is written. L means phase supply will be connected here and at N terminal neutral supply will be connected. So I am connecting neutral supply with neutral terminal of generator. Now take phase supply of generator and connect with L terminal. So to this changeover switch, we connected grid power supply and generator power supply. Now through this, power is supplied to our home. Power supply which goes for your home, in between you have to connect a MCB. Now above this ATS you can see here L and here N is written. And below this load is written. It means power supply which goes for your home will be through these terminals. So this phase supply and neutral supply here, connect these with this MCB. You can see how I did the connection. Now from output terminals of MCB, take power supply and connect for your home. So overall this much connection you have to do. Friends, how this ATS works, you already know. But still I am telling you in brief. Look, work of ATS is to do changeover. That is, grid power supply which is coming, if this power supply somehow fails, then in this condition, power supply which is coming from generator, ATS starts using this power supply. It means power supply now which is going to your home is generator's power supply, and when grid power supply comes to normal, ATS will again do the changeover and power supply now which is going to your home is again grid power supply. Friends, if you want to see how practically ATS works, then click on the right hand side video to watch. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give like on my video, and if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.